Today I'm going to show you how to pack your cardigans to save space using the Ranger roll on cardigans. Yes, it is possible. Just keep in mind that this fold is going to crease up your cardigans just a smidge, so don't do it on your very nicest cardigans. So we're going to start here by laying the cardigan down flat with the front side facing up like this. We're going to button up all the buttons and we're going to flip the bottom of the cardigan underneath itself like this. So depending on how thick your cardigan is, you need to change this a little bit. This is a pretty thin one, so I'm going to go with about 5 to 6 inches. If you have a super thin one, you may want to go up to around 8 inches. Anyway, once you made it to this point, flip down the cardigan again. We're going to take the arms and I'm going to fold it over to the opposite side like this, just straight over to the other side. It's totally fine. Repeat on the other side, overlapping the first side. And from here, we're going to split the cardigan into 4 parts from side to side. I'm going to fold in one side 1/4 of the way, like this, so that they meet here at the bottoms, at the middle, and repeat on the other side as well, like this. Now, make sure that it's nice and straight going down the length of the cardigan. And from here, we're going to start rolling the cardigan down towards the bottom from the top. So the tighter you roll here, the more space you're going to save, but just keep in mind that you may also crease up your cardigan more when you do this. If you have a really thick one that you need to pack, you can squeeze it quite tightly and save some space that way. Yeah, but yeah, they're going to crease a little bit. So once you made it to the bottom, I'm going to lift it up like this, and I'm going to flip this part that we turned under the cardigan over the roll to secure it in place. I'm going to compress it further. I like to do one side at a time, so I'm turning it around here and doing the other side as well, like this. And if yours looks kind of uneven because it's the first time you're doing it, you can stick your thumbs a little bit inside and give it a little bit of a massage, and it should be beautiful like mine is. And this isn't going to unravel anytime soon. This is awesome for packing, but it does crease your cardigans just a smidge, so keep that in mind. This goes perfectly in packing cubes as well. This is generally how I like to pack my garments when I'm traveling. If you have a compression packing cube, you can even pack it down further, but then it's going to crease a little bit. If you want some cool folding hacks with how to fold the rest of your clothes like this, I put together this cheat sheet over at organizing.tv/pack, where you can download my top 5 ways to pack your clothes to save space entirely for free. It's like step-by-step instructions. Pretty cool. So you can also tap that little box that appears here and head over there right now. Anyway, for tomorrow I'm going to make another cardigan video, but tomorrow I want to show you how to hang your cardigans to prevent creases. So if you want to see that, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.